Okay, you guys, so today I am going to be showing you guys on how you guys can get Lunatic Gunner. These are the requirements. Well, technically there's only one requirement, but there's actually two. Okay, first of all, you need to be Spirit Summoner. This job right here, this job, the third job. Not Summoner, Spirit Summoner there. You need to be Spirit Summoner, and you have to get version 3 of Azure Mountain, because if you don't know, there's actually many versions of Azure Mountain. Okay, first of all, you will need to have a lot of contribution points, which I have technically spent a lot, probably like 5,000 or 6k, I don't know. Let's just go to Azure Mountain. Okay, so you can just go like search up here. You can see Lunatic Gunner right there. Okay, so you're gonna go up here, up there. Just follow this one. Just go like that. Then you're here. Finally, you're here. Then go that. Boom. There you go. You got Lunatic Gunner. And to be real, guys, I know you guys might be wondering, but where is it? Where is it? I cannot see it. It's actually over in your adventure skills. See? There it is. This can actually really help your farming. To be real, if I am being serious, you guys. Okay? This is actually pretty good. Okay? And I'm going to show you why. First of all, I will go do this. Yes, okay. Let's go to Culvert. Because Culvert, I have not unlocked yet. So yes, Culvert. I'm not gonna farm here, but I'm going to show you the damage. Okay? Okay. Let's go find mobs. There we go. There it is. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. And to be real, guys, I know what you might be saying, but that's really weak damage. No, it's actually not, dude. Combined with your Lunatic Carrot Pound, it's gonna be OP. Okay, dudes? Also, to be real, why the Lunatic Gunner right now is weak? Because it's only 1 out of 5, dude. Give it a chance. In any case, it's automated. Okay? So yes, yeah, that's pretty much the video. Hope you guys enjoy, and make sure to like and subscribe. I mean, like, if you don't want to subscribe, it's your choice, not mine. But please do subscribe, you guys. Please do subscribe, because that will help me out. Okay? So yeah, bye guys!